Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. 288 million coins of Terra Classic has been staked so far. Wow, it's amazing to see that people are still staking a lot of Terra Classic coin, and I believe that we are not far away from staking 1.5 trillion coins. Yes, I believe this year Terra Classic might be hitting 1.5 staking, and if that happens, it means LUNC must have staked over 10% of a total supply. Yes, but staking of Terra Classic is something we know that is not going to be easy, but I still believe on the major companies to invest more on Terra Classic. I still believe on major exchanges to bond Terra Classic. One thing is that Terra Classic is going to really rise in the nearest future, but LUNC at the time of recording this needs time. Now these coins, I believe that if we can bond more coins, if we can focus on Terra Classic coin, definitely we are going to really bond a lot of coins. We are going to really give all our support. Mind you, Terra Classic still in one of the top crypto coin, and until LUNC, Terra Classic, bonds at least 1 to 2 trillion coins, then I don't believe that Terra Classic is going to really drop. But if they can bond at least 2 trillion coins, then LUNC definitely is going to rise. It's going to really rise. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.